Okay, let me first and foremost say that I purchased everything because it stated that the theme was easy to use. It's been 3 days. I've tried various themes. I've tried support, and the support came back with vague answers and nothing specific to fix the problem. So I'm going to give one more shot here to try to work with you guys. And it just seems like the stuff just doesn't play well together. None of the themes, none of the plugins or anything, which I think is ridiculous. Now this right here, I'm looking to manage location, and I'm using the location theme here. So I'm looking to add all countries. Let's start with there. I want to add all countries. I'm going to go back before you say I didn't save anything. Add all countries, post and listings. Save. Now watch this down here. That's not saving. So either one of them. Not saving. Okay, let's move on to the countries tab. Although it said that it saved successfully. Nothing is active on there. I'm in the US, so I would like for the United States country to be active. And I'll just enable that. Apply. And we can go back and do another search and clearly see that it is still inactive. Okay, let's go to state. I live in the state of Virginia. So I'd like to make that state. Is inactive there. So Virginia is on there, as you can see. Now I want to go to cities, and I would like to add Virginia to the list of cities. Add new city. I can't select the country. We saw the state was there. I can't select the state. And of course that's not going to work, and nothing else is going to work because I cannot select the state and city or add them in as I am supposed to. So it's not going to let me save anything. Okay, I would like to get that worked out where I can add countries, states, and cities to this plugin. And like I said, I bought the club membership, and I've tried the directory theme, I tried the Yellow Pages theme, I've tried the Geo5 theme, and I need to be able to add the country, the states, and the cities, because I'm going to go through and start importing gems in various cities in different countries. And it's important that I'm going to be able to do those two things, to be able to add the countries, states, and cities from around the world, and that I will be able to import. Let me see if I got the format of the importing of some of these. See the export. I have the information. I'll be able to manipulate it or move it over. I have the name, addresses, and city, state, zip code, country, phone number, and some contact information that I would like to be able to import into each of the cities and states that I can set up for. If we cannot do this, I would like to talk to someone about being refunded, because it shouldn't take this long for somebody that's been doing this for 20 plus years, this long to get a site up and running. This is ridiculous. All right, well, I'm hoping we're able to work something out. I hope to hear from you soon.